Alright, tools we'll be using is a Phillips head bit on a drill, wire strippers, and cable strippers. Before we start, this item has many different variations, so always come back to your spec sheet and it will tell you the specific cord caps that you need, the length, and the voltages. First thing to do, take off the back side of it, closest to the input. You will remove the old cord cap and line. And you'll replace it with a 7-inch piece of 12-3. Always twist your wires, make sure there's no frays, nothing sticking out. Your black will go in with your gold. Your ground will go in with your green, and your white will go in with your silver. Slide that down till everything locks in. Strip back about 3/4 of an inch. Again, your black on black, white on silver, ground on green. Best to get both started before you go tighten them down. Always fold in excess tail. Place your backside back on it. And we take the little Larson label and place it over the cord cap where it says kill arc. Test button should shut it off. Reset should turn it back on.